Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APHA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one. I mean, all the pot stocks were quite active today, but you look down here at the volume, well above average. But a very shaky looking chart. The chart's not ruined, but I do want to point out, a very important level going into next week. And that level is right here at $4.20. No pun intended. Oh, I wish I could say I was making that up. But anyways, why is 420 so important on this pot stock here? Well, let's think about it. And I'm not saying this will occur, but let's just say that the price actually comes down here. And then when it gets down to 420, just continues on down. From a very literal perspective, what would you have? Well, you would quite literally have the price right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, if the price comes down here, but the difference being behaves in that manner before we're going to way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of these as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have some progress being made in the upwards direction. And that's really what you want to see. Is the price actually going to be able to make progress going forward, or is the price going to go back to where it was? And again, back being defined as, going down below that $4.20 mark. Now, I should also note there's quite a bit of perspective that goes into this. What do I mean? Well, if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 8 minutes, well, then yeah, from that point of view, the chart looks really, really bad. But all these comments are being geared towards somebody that has more of a bigger picture type viewpoint. So yeah, today, nasty pullback after the gap up. But to be fair, the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.